roses aren't as pretty, the sun isn't quite as high, the birds don't sing as sweet of a
Kung sina
lullaby.
Angela at Romana ay makapakinabang sa sa kabilang buhay sa kung may talang kasama sa Espiritu Santo magpa sa walang
Things
hanggan.
won't ever be the same. Heaven got
Ay,
another
Tet, hindi pa nga nagmamo sa face ka eh. Oo, pero ang ganda-ganda mo. Para kang diwata. Napakaganda. Nagustuhan mo ba yung bagong bahay mo? Dinala ka ni Papa Jesus? Huwag kang mag-alala, andito ako, amen. Pero pag akyat mo na sa talagang bahay mo, magandang-maganda na yon kasi no pain na. Huwag mo kong hahanapin, hindi na ako hahanapin mo, pero andito lang ako. Masasabi ko sa iyo, I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you, Titit. I love you, Pungpung. I love you, Angela. Love ka ni Papa Jesus. Love, amen. Love, amen. Fly lang, fly. Lipad lang. Lipad, 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 lipad lang. I love you, baby.
White is blue, still there, sweetened by the memory of you. The rain is a little bit colder, the fire is never quite as warm. Still it seems that heaven isn't all that far. Heaven got another angel tonight.
Yan pa namin kamahal.
You
At
left
kami
this
mga
world
kapatid ko,
behind.
pamangkin ko
Heaven got
lahat.
a little
Dami nagmamahal
better
sa'yo.
the day.
Masakit man na nawala ka.
Took you away
Mahal na mahal
from
ka
me.
namin. Sobra. Pagbuhal namin. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Habang kami namumuhay.
I'll see you again sometime. For now I'll close my eyes and dream of heaven tonight. Spend a little more time now with the things that mean a little bit more.
Tit, mahal na mahal kita. Okay na, tama ka na kay nanay. Hindi ka naghihirap. Love you, Tit. Bye-bye.
Love with a little more hope now. I live with a little more peace, 'cause I understand how precious life can be. Oh, heaven got another angel tonight. You left this world behind. Heaven got a little better the day it took you away from me, from me.
No more pain. Although napakatagal na pinaghirap mo, at least kasama ka na ni nanay. Masaya na si nanay
See
dahil
you
kasama na kayong
again
dalawa.
sometime.
I wish bantayan mo kaming natitira. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Now I'll close my eyes and dream of heaven tonight.
Nakita ka nila siya panaginip. Sabi na, maski sa
Beaches
kanya.
aren't as lovely, the sky isn't quite as blue,
I love you, Titi.
sweetened by the
Ano ka na?
memory
Relax
of
ka na.
you.
Okay?
The rain is a little bit
Bye, Titi.
colder, the fire is
I
never
love you,
quite as
Titi.
warm. Still it seems that heaven isn't all that far. Heaven got another angel tonight. You left this world behind. Heaven got a little better the day it took you away from me.
Thank you sa mag-isang at sa yung mga pagkakama natin. Hindi ko makakalimutan.
See you again sometime. For now I'll close my eyes and dream of heaven tonight. Spend a little more time now with the things that mean a little bit more. I'm noticing the wonders of
No more
this
pain
world.
na.
Andiyan ka na, kasama ka na ni nanay at ni tatay. At least, tahimik ka na rin. Sana gabayan mo na lang ang mga iwan dito, lalo na si Mama Carmen mo. Maraming salamat, Tit. Tit, buluan mo, kuya mo, na wag na magsugal. Hindi tapo namin siya sa ilog.
Heaven got another angel tonight. You left this world behind. Heaven got a little better the day took you away from me. Listen to me tonight. I'll see you again sometime. For now I'll close my eyes and dream